Welcome back to my channel, everyone, and if you are new, welcome. Today we're going to talk about food tips and storage for our fruits and veggies. This involves glass jars with metal lids and paper towels. With that being said, let's jump right into it. So this is the original prepackaged container that my raspberries, blackberries, and blueberries came in. I removed them from this particular package and put them in my glass jar with the metal lid. It's important that it is a metal lid. Recycled jars are awesome for this. You can also put a label on it. We'll get more into that later. You don't have to. It's just a good option. This is my spinach. It has already formed some condensation and it has been no time. So to absorb that moisture, we're going to add a paper towel to the top and to the bottom. And then we're going to place it upside down in our fridge. And that's going to help keep those from getting so soggy when we want to eat them. These are the labels. I had previously ordered these from Amazon. You do not have to do this. This is just a neat, fun, great way to organize your fridge if you choose to do so. And they were only like $8 or $9 on Amazon. Apples. We're going to wash. We're going to cut these up. We're going to put these in our recycled glass jars. Metal lids, once again, that is really important. So I have washed them and I have cut them up. So next, I'm going to place them in the jars like so. And then again, the label thing is purely optional. If you want to do so, you can. If not, it's okay. Once we have taken this step, and we are ready to place them in the fridge, I'm just going to set them alongside the fruit that I have already prepared for my snacking and cleaned up. And this is just a neat grab way for your snacking. Anyone else who comes over and by your house, your kids, your husband, anybody who wants to grab a healthy snack, that option is already pre-prepared for them as well. This is just part one for tips for preserving your food and your fruits and veggies in your fridge and help them to last longer and help you save money by allowing them to last longer so you don't have to rebuy them every time you make a grocery trip for the week. If you like videos like this and you're enjoying this kind of content, I would greatly appreciate if you would consider liking and subscribing. That way, if you hit that notification bell, you don't miss another episode of Life with Shannon.